Hi everybody, Fran here. This video is going to go through how you can set assignments on Microsoft Teams in a way that allows you to see students working in real time, but also to comment on their work in real time. If you're watching this through my YouTube channel, please make sure to subscribe. Our starting point is the Microsoft Teams homepage, which should look very similar to this without all of the purple boxes. I have just blanked out my Teams on there, but your screen should look somewhat like that. And the first thing you need to do is click on the team that you want to set the assignment. Once you have clicked on your team, a page like this will appear, or it may have a newsfeed if it is a team that you have been using for quite a while. And what you are going to click is the Assignments tab at the top of the page. From here, you are going to create an assignment. This is what your page will look like the first time you set an assignment. Once you have set a few assignments, they will be in the space where that book currently is. And once you've clicked on the Create button, you are going to click Assignment as opposed to Quiz. At this point, Teams will ask you for some information such as the title of the assignment, any instructions, and what you need to do is upload any resources that you want your students to use. Now, if you are wanting to see your students work in real time and to be able to either mark it or comment on it live, you do need to upload a resource for them to work on. Now, this could be a worksheet, or equally you could send them a blank document that you want them to complete their work on. At this point, we encounter the key step in the entire process. Once you have uploaded the documents you want your students to use, you need to click the three dots on the far right hand side, and you need to change the settings from Student Can't Edit to Students Edit Their Own Copy. It is this change that is going to allow you to see students working in real time, and it's also going to allow you to comment in real time. At this point, if you have filled in all the details and perhaps double check that underneath the resources it says Students Edit Their Own Copy, you can click the Assign button, which will then set the assignment to the class. The assignment might take a minute or two to upload, but once it is ready, it will appear in your assignment section, and in order to see your students' work, the first thing you need to do is click on the assignment. Once you've clicked on the assignment, this page will appear. The only difference is that yours will have a list of student names where my multicoloured circles are. I've blanked my students' names out on this screenshot. Now, to the right hand side of the names, you will have a live update on the status of your students' work. There are primarily three options. One is that they have not handed it in and never looked at the document. The second is that they have opened the document and they may have perhaps worked on it, but they haven't handed it in. And the third option is that they have completed the work and handed it in. Now, regardless as to the status of your students' work, if you click on the status, the following will appear. As you can see, an online version of Microsoft Word has appeared. Now, if your student is working on this document, you will be able to see them typing. Not only that, but if you type on that document, your student will be able to see you typing. Because this is Microsoft Word Online, it will save automatically, and all you need to do once you have finished typing onto the document is click Close. There is a feedback box to the right hand side, but I would recommend using that once the work has been handed in and when you want to return the work to your student. That then ends my tutorial on how you can set up assignments on Teams so that you can see students working live, but also interact by commenting on their work live also. As always, make sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and thank you for watching.